We don't usually encounter many Wi-Fi problems when we use our iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. But what if you see a privacy warning message when you add a new Wi-Fi network or are just checking your network settings? You may not even be aware that it's happening. Ellen here from ellenstipsforios.com, helping seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. So, what should you do if you see this message? Why is it showing up in the first place? And what should we do about it? If you receive the privacy warning, don't panic. It's normal behavior if the network you're connected to doesn't meet the security standards recommended by Apple. If your iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch are updated to iOS 14, iPadOS 14, and watchOS 7, private Wi-Fi address is automatically enabled. However, if you cannot connect to Wi-Fi or access the internet after joining a Wi-Fi network, you may need to turn off your private Wi-Fi address. This is because some Wi-Fi networks will not allow your Apple device to join with private Wi-Fi enabled. Here's how you'll know. You'll receive a warning that says, "This network is blocking encrypted DNS traffic," or "Your network settings prevent content from loading privately." If you feel safe, you can toggle off private Wi-Fi address on a case-by-case basis. To check your private Wi-Fi address and turn off when necessary, you'll open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll choose the Wi-Fi setting area. You'll tap on the information icon next to the Wi-Fi network you've joined. The toggle switch next to private Wi-Fi address should be turned on by default. This ensures that your iPhone and iPad join the Wi-Fi network with a unique address. Your iPhone or iPad will use a different private address if you haven't joined this network in 6 weeks. Made your iPhone forget the network, reset your network settings, or erased all content and settings on your device. It's just as easy to access the warning on your Apple Watch. Just push on your digital crown one time to come into the Apps area. Locate the Settings app, tap on that, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the network you're connected to, and then scroll down until you see Private Wi-Fi Address. Here you can toggle this switch on or off. If you're experiencing problems with your Wi-Fi showing the privacy warning even when it's toggled on, first try turning airplane mode on and off. If that doesn't work, restarting your device may help. To toggle on the airplane mode, you want to swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to enter into the control center area. Go ahead and toggle on the switch that looks like an airplane. Wait a few seconds and then toggle that airplane mode off. If that doesn't solve your problem, you might want to go ahead and restart your device. If you're updated to iOS 16, it should be pretty easy. Just say, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device.
Then go ahead and press on the restart button. Now that you know how to manage the privacy warning message and turn private Wi-Fi address off and on, you'll know what to do if you receive this message. The network is blocking encrypted DNS traffic. Note that turning off private Wi-Fi address will open you up to tracking and profiling, so you may want to leave those toggle switches turned on. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.